Good morning, guys. Welcome to Language Arts on Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. I want you guys to copy these notes into your grammar notebook because you will have to use them or refer to them and have access to them for quizzes and tests. Now, let's start with adverbs today. What is an adverb? These are words that modify or describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. 90% of the time, it describes a verb. So today, we are going to talk specifically about adverbs describing a verb. First thing you need to notice is location. We know to always look for our patterns, don't we? So with an adverb, we can find it before the word being described, after the word being described, in the middle of a verb phrase, or at the beginning of a sentence. Next thing you need to know are the adverb questions. My adverb questions are where, when, how often, to what extent. Two little points that I want you to notice. Any negatives, for example, no, not, never, these will always be adverbs. So if you can memorize that, that will make this easier. Second thing, words ending in ly are usually adverbs. So for example, quickly, he ran quickly, right? It's answering how he ran, and it's ending in ly after the verb. All right, I've got some examples for you over here. Copy these out as well, so that you can see some patterns. For example, the first one, he played outside. Outside is coming after the verb, and it's answering where. He played where? Outside. Next one, he often played outside. He played when? Often. Notice this one is coming in front of the verb. As well, we can have a verb after. The third example, daily, he played outside. He played how often? Daily. He played daily. The fourth example, he played energetically. Here it is after the verb. He played how? Energetically. The fourth example, he barely played yesterday. Barely is describing the verb played, and it's answering the question, to what extent? And lastly, we have an example with one of our negatives. He didn't play yesterday. I want you to notice the nt. The N''T equals not. It's our contraction. So it's describing the verb phrase, did play. Please notice here, did play is a verb phrase, and we have the adverb in the middle of the verb phrase.